I used to be sophisticated, but now I'm just one of them good old country folks. I'll be wrangling up them horses with my tail. See ho, savvy.
Ooh, me next. Me next. I want to go next. Come on, can I go next, please? Please, can I go next, can I? My name is Burberry. I'm the firstborn. I'm the prettiest. I'm the oldest. Oh, hey, I'm the best fun too. And I'm the prettiest. What do you want, Flex? Why are you laughing at me? What did I do? Flex, what did I do? Why are you laughing at me? Flex, tell me. Tell me. You know what? Burberry? Just don't worry about it, right? Don't worry about it. I totally get it, okay? It's okay. I get it. I totally get it.
My name is Flex, and I'm the baby, so I get to do whatever I want. Flexy's the baby. Isn't that right, Burberry? Why, hello, everyone. My name is Vanessa, but you can call me Posh. I just graduated from the School of Etiquette, so I know my manners very well. I apologize about these three. I have no idea where they learned their manners from. Wow. Well, I have to go plan my tea time, and you're definitely invited if you want to come. Thank you, guys. Thank you for coming and interviewing me.